Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Ekta here, and in today's video I am going to create a very simple, easy but a very glamorous looking makeup look. I am going to create this makeup look by using all products from one brand, BU Cosmetics. It is an international cosmetic brand and one of my favorite brand. This is not a sponsored video. You can use the products from the same brand or you can use products from any other brand and create this look. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also hit the bell notification icon after you subscribe so that you do not miss any update from me. Click the all. Thank you in advance. I'll start with prepping my face. I have cleansed my face and now I'm going to use this wonderful toner all over my face. This is a lovely from the brand Oria Ayurveda, and this is gonna refresh my face and also make it supple and smooth base to start my makeup on. Now I'll take this Bio Bloom oil, facial oil, and apply it in few drops all over my face. This is just to give the inner kind of a glow and keep my skin moisturized all this time. Now I'll take this wonderful healthy glow makeup base from BU. This is one of my most favorite product of all times. I'll take a very small amount of it and apply it all over my face. This gives a very nice shiny and resplendent kind of effect on the face. To correct my dark spots, I'm going to use this Dermacolor color corrector. You can skip this step if you don't have dark spots. This is the only deviation I've taken from the brand. And now I'm going to apply this foundation. It's a very nice light foundation by BU all over my face. This is the closest to my skin tone, yet it gives a very light neutral kind of a look. I'll pump few drops of it on my hand, and with the help of my finger and beauty blender I am going to blend and stamp it all over my face in a light fluffy motion. For the eye makeup, I am going to first apply this wonderful product called Eye Base from BU. This is a primer kind of a makeup base, and I am going to apply it all over my eyelids. This is going to give a smooth finish to my eye makeup and allow it to stay for a long duration. Now I'll take this beautiful concealer from BU Cosmetics. It has a very nice doe foot kind of an applicator brush over here, which makes it very easy for it to apply at different parts of my face, including the crevices of my eyes, bridge of my nose, and cupid of my lips. Now to help set my face makeup, I am going to take this wonderful white compact powder from BU. This is another favorite of mine. I carry it on my purse and use it for the regular wear makeup also. Now time to do the eyebrows. For that I'm going to take this eyebrow pen from BU in brown shade. This is a very nice one, especially if you want to define your eyebrows without adding a lot of color. This comes very handy. You can use it without makeup also for the daily wear. So my eyebrows are almost done. With the help of this spoolie brush, I'm going to brush it a little so that I know the exact shape. I'm not going to do a very boxy, very heavy kind of a blow out here. Just keep it light. Now with the help of the Sigma brush, I am going to remove all the excess compact powder from my face. Now I'll take this very beautiful, very sensual, sensual eyeshadow makeup palette from BU Cosmetics. This has all warm neutral brown colors, at least 3-4 shades, and this is all you need to be festival ready. I'll take this light peach shade and just do a little bit of base near the crease line and on the top of my lips. This is just to give a pop-up kind of effect. Now with the help of this blending brush, I am going to pick up this light brown from this palette and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids, especially the inner corner areas and to the crease line. I'm using this blending brush for a smooth finish and just with a very light hand catch it at the nodal end where I'm holding the brush and apply it softly all over your eyelids. For the next eyeshadow, I'm going to change brush and wet it up a little bit with the face mist, and I'm going to pick this wonderful dark brown shade from this palette and I'm going to place the shade at the middle of my eyes. This is a beautiful brownish bronze kind of a shade and it's going to add a very nice distinctive look to my face. The residual makeup I am going to apply at the lower outer line of my eyelids, I'm going to just place this product a little bit over here and smash it to give a nice smoky kind of a look. Now with the help of blending brush again, I'm going to blend with a very gentle hand the entire eyeshadow. It is very important to blend your eyeshadow. You can use just one eyeshadow but to blend it. With the help of this small pencil pointy brush, I am going to fill the inner corners of my eyes with this very light golden kind of a color. This is the same color I am going to use on my brow bones just to bring a uniform kind of effect. I'm using this dip eyeliner from BU. This is a very beautiful eyeliner. In case if you don't like any other product, you can totally grab this one and try it. It is really good. With the help of this, I'm going to outline my eyes and look at the smooth finish. This is one of my most favorite eyeliner because this glides really smoothly, gives a very good finishing and does the job really well. And if you notice, it does the tight lining quite well than most of other eyeliner. For mascara, I am picking this Diva Lash Mascara. This is a beautiful volume creating kind of mascara. Look at the robust brush. And I'm going to apply it all over my eyelashes. So I don't need a falsies because I really don't like falsies, and using this one gives quite an edge to my lashes. For contouring, I'm going to use a Strobe and Define palette. It has a contour powder, blush powder and two different kinds of strobing highlighters over here. So first I'm going to contour. So this is the area where I normally contour. I'm going to place a little bit of this brown contouring powder at these areas. Basic idea is start from the beginning of your ear and at the end of your ear. You need to blend it quite well, and now I'm going to pick this lovely light flush of color for the blush. And now for highlighting, this light matte kind of strobing powder I'm going to use, and another one is this pearly finish strobing powder, and apply it on the top of my cheeks, my forehead and other places where I need to highlight. That here's my secret trick to remove excess makeup from your face. Just take any clean tissue, put it on your face with the help of a brush, just press it lightly, remove it, and all the excess makeup from your face will come out on this tissue without disrupting your makeup. Look at this. For final finishing, I'm using the same face mist to set my makeup. Just be careful and don't spill it over your mascara or use it before applying mascara. For lips, I'm going to use this two beautiful, wonderful lipstick from BU Cosmetics. I'll put the shade name on the screens and look at the beautiful pastel colors. But before that, I'm going to use this beautiful red lip liner from BU Cosmetics. It's the pencil based lip liner which glides very easily on your lips. I'm going to outline my lip area using the same lip liner. Now with the help of a lip brush, I'm going to take this lighter shade of lipstick and apply it all over my lips. Look at the beautiful shade. This is very beautiful and you can wear on your daily makeup also. Now I'll take this bright fuchsia kind of a color and apply it at the middle part of my lips and blend it well. To remove excess lipstick, I'm going to use the same tissue method. Do watch my lipstick hacks video to know more about the lipstick hacks. My makeup is almost done and I'm going to accessorize my look, completing with the jewelry and the clothing. And if you want, you can add some flowers. Red roses gives a very nice definition to this overall brown look. And a little bit of bindi, whichever design you like. You can go for this 2-layered bindi or a single bindi, which I'm going to apply at the end of this, and we are done. I'm leaving my hair open. You can style your hair any which way and apply roses, or you can totally skip them, but I'm totally loving the contrasting color with my dress. Oops, you forgot to put bangles. Let's put on the bangles, the nice golden bangles, and how beautiful they complement my dress. If you don't want to wear bangle, go for a statement ring. Loving the way my mehndi is complementing this look. Isn't it beautiful? So well, that's all for today's makeup tutorial. I really hope you like this one, and do give it a thumbs up if you like this one, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. I'll see you soon. Take care and ciao.